Struggling to get your website noticed on Google? You're not alone. For years, SEO felt like a game only big companies could win, complex, expensive, and out of reach for most. But now, artificial intelligence is changing everything. AI tools act like your personal team of SEO experts, content writers, and analysts, working around the clock for a fraction of the cost. Imagine finding the perfect keywords in minutes, generating optimized articles in under an hour, and automating backlink building, all with zero technical skills. This guide is your step-by-step roadmap to using AI for SEO success. I'll show you how to find your niche, create content, optimize it, build authority, and track your results. Forget the old rules. AI is making SEO accessible to everyone. Ready to watch your website climb the ranks? Let's dive in. The first step is finding a profitable niche with keywords you can actually rank for. AI tools like Neuron Writer analyze the digital landscape in seconds, revealing low competition, high-intent keywords your competitors miss. Instead of sustainable gardening, you might target best compost bin for small apartment balcony, a Goldmine keyword. Neuron Writer gives you a full content plan, target word count, optimized titles, and essential terms Google expects. With this AI blueprint, you know exactly what to write and how to stand out. No more guesswork, just a clear, data-driven path to SEO success. With your content plan in hand, it's time to write. AI writers like Koala Writer turn your research into a polished first draft in minutes, weaving in keywords and NLP terms for maximum SEO impact. You control the tone and style, just set your preferences, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. But don't skip the human touch review, fact-check, and add your unique insights to make the content truly yours. Use tools like Grammarly for a final polish. This blend of AI speed and human creativity lets you publish more, higher quality content, fast. Consistent, optimized output is what Google loves. Great content needs to be perfectly optimized for Google to notice. Surfer SEO makes on-page optimization simple. Just paste your article and get a real-time content score. The tool shows exactly which terms to add, how often, and where to improve structure or readability. Make the recommended tweaks and watch your score and your ranking potential rise. No more SEO guesswork. Surfer gives you a precise checklist based on what's working for top-ranking pages. It even checks headings, images, and meta descriptions. With Surfer SEO, every article you publish is technically perfect. It's like having an expert guiding you every step. To truly rank, you need authority, and that means backlinks. AI tools like Postaga automate the hardest part, finding relevant sites, contacts, and sending personalized outreach emails. Enter your URL or keyword, and Postaga finds the best opportunities, like sites linking to your competitors. It crafts and personalizes emails for you, boosting your response rate. Schedule campaigns to run automatically and watch high-quality backlinks roll in. More authority means higher rankings and more traffic. AI makes link building achievable for everyone. How do you know it's working? Track your progress with Google Search Console and Ubersuggest. These free tools show which keywords you rank for, your traffic growth, and how your rankings improve over time. Watch your articles climb from page 3 to page 1 and see real visitor numbers increase. Ubersuggest adds competitor analysis and traffic value estimates, so you know where to focus next. For affiliate sites, you can track clicks and earnings, turning SEO wins into real income. Monitoring results keeps you motivated and shows what's working. With AI and analytics, you're always in control. This is how you turn SEO into a profitable business. Let's recap your AI-powered SEO journey. First, use Neuron Writer to find your niche and keywords. Next, generate and refine content with Koala Writer and Grammarly. Optimize every article with Surfer SEO's data-driven checklist. Build authority with automated outreach using Postaga. Track your growth with Google Search Console and Ubersuggest. The tools are here, now it's your turn. Start today and let us know your results in the comments.